Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Awais Jamali and for my presentation of OR, I will be discussing the applications of operational research. Without realizing it, most of us have been using the concepts of OR in our daily life and routine. Some of the applications that I will be talking about are linear programming, dynamic programming, finance and banking, inventory control, human resource management, queuing theory, and decision theory. So first of all, let's look at linear programming. It's a technique that deals with linear functions of equality and inequality constants. For the applications of linear programming can be seen here as the assignment of jobs to machines, manufacturing and blending components and mixtures for the finished products, and it is also used for product planning and scheduling by determining the optimal allocation of resources such as labor, machine, and raw material. It is also helpful in transportation such as vehicle routing and resource allocations. Second application we have is dynamic programming. It is a powerful technique used for complex problems that involve making optimal decisions over time. The decisions that are bound to change with the course of time. Applications of dynamic programming can be calculating and controlling the budget system of the organizations, cargo loading into ships, containers, and aircraft, optimal routing of airplanes, ships, and cars, and it is also helpful for making flexible schedule for your projects that are bound to change. After that, we have finance and banking. As operational research plays a vital role in keeping the banks functional by models that are used in credit score assessment, automate automate loan approvals. Methods such as logical regression and decision trees help banks make accurate lending decisions and minimum cost and risk. These models are also used for fraud detection systems to identify suspicious transactions and help make algorithms for preventing these kind of actions in the future. It also helps with customer relationships by optimizing customer acquisition, retention, and cross-selling strategies. Next, we have inventory control. It's a systematic management of all aspects related to storage, tracking, and utilization of inventory within business and organizations to ensure the maximum level of stocks within the minimum cost. Some applications can be inventory optimization, as it helps with balancing ordering costs, holding costs, and stock costs. These models are also used to calculate order quantities for inventory systems and items. Managing safety stocks for optimal sales of the products and reorder levels of the stocks. Up next, we have queuing theory. It is used for helping with traffic jams, maintenance of broken machines, control of air units, routing them to avoid collisions. It is also used for healthcare system to keep track of bookings and optimize the wait time. And after that, we have human resource management. We can find numerous applications of OR in this field that help the organization optimize their human capital management processes. Applications can be for workforce planning, as OR techniques are used to forecast future workforce requirement based on the organizational goals and market demand. Optimization models help in determining the optimal mix of permanent and contingent workers as well as staffing levels of different departments and functions. After that, recruitment selections. As OR helps in optimizing the selection process by analyzing different factors of candidates and criteria. And it also helps with performance management, with assisting in the performance target and optimize and keep track of the employee performance. Also with the compensation optimization by analyzing factors such as pay structures, incentive schemes, and employee benefit packages. Lastly, we have decision theory, which focuses on making rational decisions in evolving situations. It is used for controlling pollution, providing frameworks for risk management, and to understand customer behavior and demands as to how customers would react to a certain change in the market, and making strategies related to force deployment and resources in military units, as it plays a major part in gaining victories. And that will be all for my presentation of applications of OR. Thank you.